Alright guys, I got another quick video for you. This is here's the story behind this one, I promise. Basically, my Matco guy, I was talking to him on the truck and he was telling me, I was telling him about the Milwaukee impact that we bought and whatnot. And he just got this look about him. He's like, man, you didn't even give me a chance to sell you an impact. Yeah, well, no, I didn't. I guess I didn't. And he comes out with this impact. He said it's fairly new on the market. He said, try it out. I said, well, I'm not buying another impact. He said, well, try it out anyway. He said, try it, you know, maybe shoot a video, do whatever you want. Try it for a couple days, see what you think. I said, well, okay, sure. So I guess in a way this is kind of an unboxing. I'll show you what we've got and I'm gonna play with it, see what I think. All right, so let's start by opening it up and letting y'all see what we got here. Let's see if I can get y'all in the shot without doing a whole lot. Transmission's always in the way. All right, here's what we got. It's the Matco Mcl1638Hik2O. O stands for orange because, well, it's their orange impact. This is their kit. I've done a little looking on this thing. There's not a whole lot of stuff on YouTube about it other than from Matco. You know how that's going to go. It comes in a bag. Got an impact, charger, 2 batteries, charge cord. That's what they consider a kit. This is what she looks like. Let's check the specs out. High power impact. Alright, specifications, guys. Here we go. It's 3/8. According to this, it's got 150 foot-pounds of max torque, 3,100 RPM. Free speed is 2,400. Oh, that ain't the right impact. Guys, that's their old impact. I don't know why they put the brochure of their old impact in here. Tell you what, guys, give me just a second. We're gonna pull up some specs for them. All right, guys. So we'll go online, look it up. Here's what we got. The MCL1638Hik2O has 250 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, 150 foot-pounds of working torque. It contains the bag, 2 batteries, charger, and tool. The price on this thing from Matco is $459.95. You buy the tool alone if you already had the batteries. The tool alone is $239.95. Well, let's now guys, while I was looking up the specs, I went ahead and charged one of the batteries. Full charge. You know, guys, I can see one thing I like about it better than the Milwaukee. Actually, I see 2 things I like a lot better than the Milwaukee. It feels better in your hands. The grip, I like that a lot better than the Milwaukee. Also, I like the fact that it's smaller here. I wonder how much longer. From the end of the anvil all the way to the back is 6 inches. Alright, from the end of the anvil all the way to the back of the Milwaukee here, that's 5 1/8 inches. Okay. Now I guess the actual case is 4 1/4, because that's what the spec is on that one. And this one is 5 1/4. So there's an inch difference in length. According to Matco, the torque is the same. Now, let's talk about pros. Okay. 250 foot-pounds of torque for 3/8 impact, really good. That's a strong impact. Man, this thing's comfortable. That's my complaint with the Milwaukee. One of the complaints. Also, smaller diameter. I'm gonna show y'all what I mean about the smaller diameter and why it matters to me. It may not matter to most people, but it matters to me. I like that. It's light, feels good. Let's talk about the cons, because I can see 2 cons right away. Con number 1, $459.95. I'm not cheap, guys. I will buy tools in a heartbeat. But man, it is hard to justify $200 more for a Matco than it is the Milwaukee. But it is what it is. My cons with this thing is the 2-year warranty and the $459 price tag. Now, if you want to buy just a tool, if you already had the batteries and the charger, you want to buy just a tool, it's $239.95. $239.95. That sounds very close to the price of the Milwaukee kit. So, there's your cons. However, man, it feels good. This is a good feeling impact. I mean, if you compare the way this feels to now, you can see the difference in length. Like I already mentioned, it's 1 inch longer. But do you see the difference in width? You're saying, what difference does that make? Well, I'll tell you what, guys. I'm going to show you what difference that makes. Let me grab a slide. Alright, guys, let me show you what I'm talking about. See the extension housing? This is when I found that I was pissed with this Milwaukee. It'll get here. You see what I'm saying? And this is a long shaft on this one. The shorter ones, the stubbier ones. But look how, oh, I must have loosened that. There ain't no way. Holy crap. Dang, guys. Huh. Guys, this is the first time I put this on a, wow. All right, let's go back to the room and let's, I wasn't planning on doing a comparison video, but let's go back to the room and let's dig into a little deeper. What I was saying, a lot of times this being so fat gets in the way. And guys, don't get me wrong, you can get right around it. Put an extension on it, bam, you're in business again. Use a swivel impact, I got it. But you get accustomed to doing something that 4060E. When I do that, I'll grab a T50 Torx Plus, a 8mm, 10mm, 13mm, 15mm, and I take the whole transmission apart. And I don't take anything else out of my toolbox but those impact sockets. Let me give you the long and the short of this impact. Like I said before, I love the way it feels. Golly. I like the smaller diameter. And guys, here's the thing. You got to take into consideration what I do, okay? I'm not doing ball joints and front end work all day long. I'm not doing brake jobs all day long. I'm building transmissions all day long, okay? There's not a whole bunch of bolts that I'm taking out that's torqued over 100 foot-pounds, I promise. Everything mostly is in inch-pounds. Just the way it is. So as far as needing something that's going to put out 500 foot-pounds, I don't need it. Not in here. When I'm in the shop, maybe. But I have a 1/2 inch impact for that. I also like the fact it's got a variable trigger, variable speed. I like that. I'd like to have control the stuff with my finger and not necessarily off, on, off. That's what you got. Of course, now I'm not saying you can't control the speed with this. You can. This thing's got a lot of cool options. This is a cool impact. It's not as comfortable as that though. Dang it. I wish he hadn't made me try this thing. Alright guys, maybe we'll do a little bit more comparison in another video. I just told him that I would see what my thoughts were and look at it, and that's kind of what I did. Wished I hadn't. You know, I think we went over everything. I think my biggest problem now, I'm starting to have buyer's remorse. God dang him. Kind of wished I'd have thought about it and looked at it before I bought that Milwaukee. Oh well. Alright guys, till next time.